Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Bose QC15 Earpads is probably one of the most sought-after upgrades for Bose QuietComfort 15 headphone owners, promising a renewed listening experience and enhanced comfort. If your old ear cups are worn, ripped, or simply uncomfortable, replacing them can dramatically improve your audio enjoyment, restoring the original sound quality and sealing for noise cancellation, making your favorite pair of headphones feel brand new. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about finding and installing the perfect replacement earpads for your Bose QC15 headphones. Number 5. SoloWIT Bose Earpads. These earpads are designed to fit perfectly on many popular Bose headphone models. Check the compatibility list to see if yours is included. Installation is a breeze. We've included everything you need, including a handy tool, to get them on in just a few minutes. Experience exceptional comfort and sound quality. The high-density foam and premium protein leather create a perfect seal for noise isolation and enhanced bass. Give your headphones a fresh new look and feel. It's like buying them a new outfit. They're made with high-density foam and high-grade protein leather for superior comfort and durability. We stand behind our product. Contact us if you have any issues. We offer replacements or refunds. What we like. It comes with a plastic stick to help with installation, making the process quick and easy. The high-density foam and protein leather ensure excellent noise isolation. If you prioritize ease of use and superior sound quality, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The ear cushion pads fit the Bose QC2 pair with perfection. The cushions are buttery soft and fit my ears with a pillow-like feel. These were a perfect fit, took a few minutes to figure out the install, and they provide a plastic spudger to help. After 10 minutes these were on, the old ones in the trash and a renewed set of headphones. Fit is snug and comfy. Easy to install. Number 4. Aurivor QC15 Earpads. These ear pads are designed to revitalize your listening experience. They're made with upgraded materials for enhanced comfort and durability. Experience the luxurious feel of our softer, more durable protein leather. It resists peeling and wear, keeping them looking great. The custom-built memory foam provides a plush, comfortable fit. Enjoy hours of listening without ear pressure or discomfort. Say goodbye to splitting. Our hybrid sealing makes them perfect for daily use, even during intense activities. These ear pads are meticulously engineered. They maintain your headphones' original, high-fidelity sound. Installation is a breeze. No tools are needed, simply attach them and get back to enjoying your audio. What we like. These pads are designed to be incredibly durable and resistant to tearing, even with heavy daily use. The plush memory foam provides lasting comfort. If you're looking for long-lasting durability and comfort without compromising on sound, then this is for you. What people say. They fit and stick perfectly. The color, seal and feel is comparable to the original. This kit makes them look and feel like new. Fit great on my 18-year-old QC2s. These are the second set I've replaced. The original Bose, and first set of replacements also OEM and dollar, disintegrated after time. I expect these will do the same after 5 or 6 years, and that is acceptable for this price point and saving me from having to upgrade the old QC2s which still function perfectly. Number 3. Wicked Cushions Bose QC15 Earpads. Replacing your old ear pads is a breeze. This kit includes everything you need and a simple guide to walk you through it, no special tools required. Experience superior comfort with these thicker, memory foam ear pads. They're designed to conform to your ears, providing a luxurious listening experience. Enjoy richer, more immersive sound. These ear pads create a better seal, blocking out distractions and enhancing your audio. These ear pads are built to last. Reinforced stitching and glued seams prevent splitting, extending their lifespan and providing long-term value. They fit perfectly on your Bose headphones. Enjoy a snug and secure fit for hours of comfortable listening. These replacement ear pads are compatible with many Bose headphone models, including QC15, QC25, QC2, AE2, AE2i, AE2W, SoundTrue, and SoundLink. What we like. These earpads feature thicker memory foam for superior comfort and block out noise to enhance sound quality. The reinforced stitching ensures they'll last. If you need extra comfort and want to revitalize your sound, these are a great option. What people say. Looked exactly like the Bose original ear cups and installed easily. Comfort and audio quality did not change. These are a great replacement for the regular Bose ear pads, and much cheaper. They are just as soft and comfortable, and the finish is much more durable. I don't see any wear at all after a year of regular use. The replacement ear pads look like the original pads and feel just as good. They were easy to replace, only minutes. Number 2. AHG QC15 Replacement Pads. Are your old earpads and headband worn out? This replacement kit gives you a comfortable fit and renewed sound quality. Enjoy your music again. These replacement pads and headband are made with soft, high-density foam and smooth leather. Experience lasting comfort, even during extended use. They offer a secure fit and reduce sound leakage. Enjoy your favorite tunes with like-new sound quality and durability. Installation is quick and easy. Just follow the step-by-step guide included in the kit. You'll have your headphones feeling brand new in minutes. The kit includes 2 new ear pads, a new headband, scrims, an installation tool, and a screwdriver. Everything you need for a complete repair is right here. What we like. Made with soft, high-density foam and protein leather, these provide all-day comfort. They offer a secure fit and reduce sound leakage. If you value comfort and ease of installation, this is a great option for you. What people say. The replacement headband and ear cushions seem to be thicker and more comfortable than the original parts. The videos were easy to follow, even for a beginning repair person. The installation took me about an hour, counting several views of the videos and working slowly to not mess up my beloved Bose QC2. The headphones look brand new and feel much better on my head. Easy to replace original headband and ear pads with videos provided. Great value and comfort. Number 1. Krone Kalpasmos Bose Ear Pads. These ear pads are uniquely designed with a combination of cloth and leather. The wireless stitching improves the seal, ensuring superior sound quality. Instead of the usual black, they feature a stylish gray pattern. It's soft, breathable, and comfortable for extended wear. The superior memory foam enhances noise cancellation, improving your listening experience. A dust mat keeps the inside clean for optimal performance. Installation is quick and easy, it only takes a few minutes. All the necessary tools and parts are included. They are compatible with many Bose headphone models, including the QuietComfort 35, QC25, QC15, and more. Check the description for a full list. What we like. These earpads have a unique cloth and leather design, improving airtightness and sound quality. The memory foam enhances noise cancellation. If you appreciate unique style and improved sound quality, this is the one for you. What people say. The fabric feels very comfortable on the ears, and they also have a really nice style to them to make them stand out. Using them as my gaming headphones, I don't sense any loss of performance for sound or comfortability. Easy to install, they're very comfortable as well. Installation is a breeze, as the package comes with all the necessary components and the process took only 10 minutes, even without prior experience. Mesh fabric offers superior comfort. The mesh material is a major improvement over the leatherette, offering breathability and reducing ear sweating during extended use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.